Hello everyone, welcome to a beautiful Sunday and a happy Eid to everyone across the world who's celebrating Eid today. The month of Ramadan ends, but it doesn't mean it's the beginning of the entire journey towards a fana inside yourself. So as a doctor for 30 years, what have I seen? Sometimes health is in your own hands. So if someone is having a heart attack or has any heart issue, there are very simple acupressure points. You can see the little finger on the inner side just below the nail. If you keep pressing this point on the left hand, it's equal to massaging the heart actually, because the entire heart meridian is connected here. So this can save somebody's life. This point here, as well as just below, again below the little finger, where this line is, just here as well. And also about 2 finger breadths from the wrist crease and in the middle. This is called the pericardium. So remember, just this little bit can save someone's life. So make sure you activate those points even if you have blood pressure or you want to keep your heart healthy and strong. So what else can keep your heart healthy and strong? We have amazing mangoes now, and this not only contains antioxidants and more than 75% of your vitamin C, potassium, and mangiferin is a super antioxidant which is great for heart health. So we make delicious smoothies with mango and chia seeds and different spirulina, and this is what we have every day for lunch. And I feel more energized than ever with all these incredible foods, because we're eating a cooked meal for breakfast and dinner, and then for lunch we have this amazing smoothie or salads or whatever is healthy and available. So forest bathing. Last evening when I went for a walk in the forest, we had so much fun picking these kanta or kantna or very amazing berries found in the forest. On the lower hills or the upper hills, you find these. Usually they're not sold anywhere, but again these are full of antioxidants and vitamins from B to C, as well as manganese, copper, magnesium. Everything which is great for your immune system is found in mangoes as well as these berries. So eating them is great for health. And we also have jamuns. Jamuns again are a very amazing fruit which controls your blood sugar, and it has a specific taste called astringent, which only triphala and pomegranate are the other fruits which you find, as well as the vegetables like parsley and lettuce. They all have the astringent taste. In Ayurveda, you need, in the tip of the tongue you have sweet, and then you have sour and salt, and then you have the bitter, and then astringent in the middle. So all of this is important. All these 6 tastes have to come in. So you start with something sweet and end with something sweet. And you need to have all these flavors in your food to stay healthy. And then coming to the most important surgery, that is a soul, S-O-U-L, soul surgery. So what is this gift that you incarnated with? Just living and fulfilling your duties alone is not enough. You have to be of service. And this is the time when you're called to serve in the highest possible way. And what kind of gifts do you get? These are not material. They are beyond that. For example, for me or even for you, each of you, having a good family, having great friends, having a gift what helps you to serve humanity. And for me personally, it's my ability to heal people and to look for a solution for a disease, even if there seems to be nothing. I want them to be healthier than they even wanted themselves. Even when they don't believe there's a way, I seek for a way, I look for a way and find it. And this is my gift. As well as to research scientific inventions with other scientists and bring this truth to the world, to shine it in a big way. And the resources for it, they flow from each and every place, because when the intention is so pure, the means for it follows. And the other thing is, even to be a scientist, I have Dr. Vijay Kumar, who's a scientist who's invented the cytotron. So any kind of arthritis, whether it's in the spine or back or shoulder or knees, it can get cured even if you thought it couldn't before. If you had a pancreatic cancer, a brain cancer, lung cancer, all of this, again, it can really work on preventing the spread of cancer, as well as it works at it upregulates the p53, and through apoptosis the cancer cells die. So how many incredible gifts are people born with? But are we accessing all our gifts? So if you can sing like no one else, if that can heal people, whatever the music, whatever your offering is, being kind, helping a certain, even if it's a small group of people, really access a gift and use it well. Just like I said, we are not only going to, as a doctor, I'm not going to talk to you only about, different self-healing things, but the latest inventions in science as well. We will come to once a week. Because of the lockdown, I was doing all these daily offerings, but they're going to become more, I would say, refined and condensed into very powerful offerings, which may be once a week. So if you would still continue to enjoy them and really shine in a beautiful, healthy way, I would say, subscribe to the YouTube channel of Dr. Aruna Vishwanathan, and don't forget to ring the bell, because there's lots of amazing science which is waiting for you. The best which is needed for your immunity, for your health, for your happiness, and for your family, because there is nothing else I know better than this. And there's no greater joy for me than to do this and to help you reach the pinnacle of your purpose and health in this lifetime. Thank you so much.